How to install Steam on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Steam and then tap on the first link that appears, which is store.steampowered.com. Now, once you have opened the official webpage of Steam, tap on the Installed Steam option on the top right of your screen, and in the interface that then appears, tap on the Install Steam option you see there at the bottom. With this, the process for installing will begin, so wait for the install to complete, and once completed, you will see a dialog box there, so simply tap on that particular option, and as you can see, Steam has been downloaded on my Mac. You can then simply drag the Steam folder to Applications, and once done, simply double click on the Steam option you see there, and with this, you will be required to launch Steam on your Mac. So tap on it, and then this will begin the updating process for Steam on your Mac. So wait for the process to complete, and once completed, Steam will be successfully downloaded on your Mac. So this was about how you can download Steam on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.